Hi guys, it's me, Nico, again. Hi everyone, it's me, Nico. How's it going? Wow. Wow, that's awesome. Well, with me, things have been going pretty awesome. I've been playing with my fabrics. I have a couple of unfinished projects over there. New blouse I'm working on, black and white, and a cool sweater with some micro suede on the collar and you'll see it later probably, I'm sure. Um, I'm going in for my COVID test because I have a procedure coming up on Wednesday. And I wanted to come on here because basically YouTube has been a dump for my information. Kind of like my external memory, if you will. And so I wanted to jot this down, sort of. Kind of. And keep it fresh in my memory, so to speak. So here goes. I've only just gotten back to speaking to the management about the repairs in the apartment. I still have no living room. Everything from my kitchen is in my living room, and half of my living room is still living in my bedroom. Because all of my closet... Shit. That's probably my car. Hang on. Hello? Okay, I'll be right down. Thanks. I'm coming down. Okay. Thank you. That indeed was my car, and so I'm going to have to go. I will try to get back on in a little bit and let you know what's going on with everything. Talk soon.